Hi, welcome to our product update. As always, with Polina, our product manager, and we're going to start right away with our dashboards again, and in specific, our cloud universe that we've been working on a lot in the past week. So, Polina, what can you show us and tell us today?
Yes, hi everyone. We added this time a bunch of cool new stuff. So let's get started directly with the Cloud Universe. We have further enhanced Cloud Universe to make your exploration experience even greater. You can find right now needed items on your landscape with a new search feature. So, for example, you would like to know to which project a specific user is assigned. You can easily right now type the username. You will find this user, click on it, and then you will see the exact customers he is assigned to. So, in addition, the Cloud Universe has also been redesigned with the sleek dark background and intuitive navigation, as you see, with the refreshing buttons. So, to make your exploration experience even better.
So, you can search for projects, tenants, customers, users, and see the connection between all of them. And if you just want to have a look at it, you can just zoom in, right, and just explore a little bit what projects there are, what users they're assigned to, and so on.
Yes, you can answer many questions. For example, for which projects are assigned to the specific customer and which tenant is related to the specific project and so on. So yes, with this exploration and with the search functionalities, it's even better right now.
Okay.
And easier.
Very cool. Then we'll stay with our dashboards and hop over to our cost dashboard where we've changed a bunch of stuff.
Yes. So let's start with the important topic, as Wolf said, which you probably would like to keep your eye on: cost. The spending charts will enable you to keep control under your costs over time and understand how much you invest to the specific platform. So the chart here show you the spend over time per platform, as I said, and you can easily navigate here to check your spendings over time. Moreover, if you need a clear overview of all your payment method issues, such as, for example, product without a payment method or over budget one project, please check the section in the right upper corner to be updated on potential problems.
Okay. And we've added new tabs to our dashboards, right? I think the users and the marketplace one are completely new. Which one do you want to start with?
I would like to start with the users. As I said, we add a lot of new cool stuff, and users, it's another dashboard. So these charts enable you to oversee the progress of users joining your cloud landscape. So to be up to date with regards to your progress on the cloud, with regards to some different patterns when users was deleted and joined. So all users show you the users which are right now active on your cloud landscape. And another thing, it's also to help to detect the problem, as you see already in financial tab. Another tab, user related problem this time in this tab is the missing the external user IDs or inactive users. So for example, the inactive users, it's really important in order that you will detect early the potential problems which could relate to the GDPR breach. For example, you have inactive users that are not assigned to any customer, meaning that maybe you forgot to delete them when they leave already a company. So being up to date with this problem detected section, it's really important.
Okay. And for the last completely new tab, the marketplace tab, what did we do there? I can see Yellis Burger Place, for example. Yeah.
So the last tab is Marketplace, highlighted the newly created service instances over time. And first of all, to have the great grasp on your cloud journey, and also to see the popularity of specific service over time. So let's say the virtual machine was really popular in October, and 12 service instances were created.
Okay. Paulina, thank you very much for the dashboard section that we went through right now. You out there, feel free to just experiment around with our dashboards with Cloud Universe, and don't hesitate to give us any feedback on what you might need additionally to make this useful for you. We're going to...
Yeah, feedback will be appreciated so much.
Okay. We're going to continue with our API and the usability of our API. What is new here?
Yeah. I was already impatient to click on it to show you guys what we created because it was so requested screen in our product, and it's really useful right now, and you can do everything in self-service with the API user. So new screen, API user, you now have the access and overview of all API users, when they created, by whom they created, and also you can add, edit, and of course delete the API users. So I just wanted to show you how to create the API user, so you will feel comfortable to do this in the future. So in order to create the API user, you can just click here, and then let's say test name 123. And what is the most important thing right now? You can choose by yourself permission. You can see the whole overview of the permissions which you can grant to this API user. We will choose this one and then save. This is also important thing. Please don't forget to copy this password because you will not be able to see it again. You can just copy here easily. Done. And then my new API user was created, which I said already. You can see exactly the Mesh Cloud partner created it, and when it was created. If you will go, if you want to do the further automation, I just wanted to show shortly the possibility which the API user can grant it. I already have one, and with the same permission right. And for example, in this case, you will be able to see all the list of the Mesh customers in your meshStack. So to automate it further, to do to answer the questions which you needed, this is now for you, and it's in self-service.
So one step removed, basically, that now that we added this self-service possibility to edit the API users and their rights, makes it easier, definitely.
Yeah.
For our last agenda item for this product update, we'll head over to Azure. We did some changes in the handling of Azure, right?
And the last thing in our agenda for today, it's the multiple Azure roles. I would like to show you what we did it in this direction. So now you can assign one or more Azure roles to a single mesh role to have the more granular permission assignment. For example, the mesh role project admin can be linked with owner or backup operator Azure roles. So this functionality is currently available for the Azure landing zones configuration, as you see here. So in order to show it in the product, you are going to the landing zone, choosing the Azure, and then you will see the platform-specific configuration. And the platform-specific configuration, you can add here exactly the given ID from the Azure as I said, to make the mesh role to make the single mesh role for a more granular permission. Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Is there anything else you want to add, or is this it for today?
I just want to add that we will present something cool in the future with regards to our dashboards, and please stay tuned for our next product video. We wish you all the best.
Okay, thank you, Polina. If you want to have this product update as a written product update, you can subscribe to our product newsletter in the description below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you very much and see you.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye.